In this video, we want to evaluate the integral from 1 to infinity of natural log x over x squared dx. So because this is an improper integral, we're going to rewrite this as a limit as b approaches infinity of integral 1 to b ln x over x squared dx. And in order to integrate it, we have to use the acronym LIATE because we're going to use integration by parts. L is log, so that's going to be our u. So u is our log, and then dv is 1 over x squared dx. So du, the derivative of the natural log, is 1 over x dx. V will be the antiderivative of 1 over x squared, which is negative 1 over x. And so the formula is going to be uv minus integral v du. So u is natural log x times negative 1 over x minus integral v we said is negative 1 over x times du, which is 1 over x dx. So this simplifies into negative natural log x over x, and then these are going to cancel, plus integral 1 over x squared dx. The integral of 1 over x squared dx is negative 1 over x. And so using this, we have negative ln x over x minus 1 over x plus c as our integral in ln x over x squared dx. But this was an improper integral, so we'll cancel out the c, and we'll look at the limit we'll evaluate it at the endpoints 1 and b. So you have negative ln b over b minus 1 over b minus negative ln 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1. ln of 1 is just 0, so this is gone. We have negative ln b over b minus 1 over b plus 1. But then remember, we said we wanted a limit up here as b approaches infinity. And ln of b over b goes to 0. So this is gone. 1 over b also goes to 0. So what's left is just 1. And so that's going to be the integral from 1 to infinity of ln x over x squared.